guys, it's Kelly, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. This has been kind of requested, so I just thought I'd go up and do it. The products I used will all be in the description. I will also try to kind of show you what it looks like for instance, holding it up like that. This makeup look is going to be a look that I use every day. I basically do the same makeup every day unless it's like a special event. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, I'm starting off with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 110 Porcelain, and I just kind of put a little bit on the back of my hand and dab it all over my face with my brush. I try to put it all over in little dots to kind of get an even coverage on my face, and then I just kind of smooth it out and kind of blend it in every little place. And then I try to use the rest of that's on my hand, and I try to put it on my eyelids and up there where it's all veiny. And then now I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Taupe, and I'm just kind of going around the natural shape of my brow, trying to kind of do the best I can because I'm not really that great at brows. I'm still learning, and sometimes this happens. So I just kind of take a makeup wipe and clean it all up, and then just go ahead and go at it again. I sometimes make them a little bit too thick, and I'm really bad at doing my eyebrows, like I said, so I just kind of go around it with my foundation or my concealer to try to kind of thin them out and make the shape of them nice and, well, the shape I want. And now that one eyebrow's done, you can go ahead and work on the other. I'm not really sure why, but this one eyebrow took like maybe 30 seconds to do, and my other one took about maybe 3 or 4 minutes. So hair flip. And then this is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. It is a dupe for the Anastasia Renaissance, Modern Renaissance palette. And it's very good. I like the colors in it a lot. I tend to use the orangey brown kind of color on my eyes a lot, but this time I decided to go different and go a little bit more colorful with the pink. I like to use like a lot of dark colors or colorful colors on my eyes, or just a lot of neutral colors, I guess. So now that is done, I am going in with my e.l.f. Intense Ink eyeliner. I tend to use the Stila All Day liquid eyeliner, but I just bought this and I thought I'd give it a try. It gives a pretty good sharp tip, but it's kind of dry, just a tiny bit, like not as moist as the Stila All Day liquid eyeliner. So as you can see here, I'm just showing you how I do it, but I messed up a lot on it, so I decided to do it off camera and then show you what it's like here, and there you go. And that's just me touching on my eyeshadow, and then I'm going up with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the lightest shade, and I'm just kind of highlighting my face with it, and then doing the whole concealer thing to kind of brighten up my face a little bit. I like doing this because it gives me kind of a bright look, and it evens out my whole foundation. And now I am just blending it out with my foundation brush. And these are two samples of highlighters. The one on the left was the Urban Decay, I believe it's called the Afterglow highlighter. It's like an 8-hour highlighter. It's very good. And then the other one is, I forgot the name of it, but I will put it in the description. And I'm using that one on the right, and it is very glowy, and it helps me kind of brighten up the whole look, and it looks very pretty. And that's pretty much it. I tend to sometimes do contour, but I wasn't really feeling it today. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and comment down below some videos you think I should do, because I'd love to see what you guys want me to do. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye!